Dr. Ssuna. I am a lecturer for animal welfare here at the College of Veterinary Medicine, Animal Resources and Biosecurity, Makerere University. And I have been the project manager for the VETS United projects since 2018 here at Makerere. The goal of our project has been evolving. So initially it was about improving practical hands-on training for students as we teach them animal welfare. And then later now, our focus is on mainstreaming animal welfare, whereby we are looking at a revision of the curriculum to make sure that animal welfare is well incorporated in there. We are looking at recruitment and the university getting more lecturers for animal welfare, and then as well as continuous training for the teaching staff to make sure that they are up to date with training of students in animal welfare.
One of the things that I've learned in this animal welfare project is collaboration. You find that in Makerere University here we have collaborated with several organizations like VetConnect, One Health, Afropool. There were very many learning formats which we used in promoting animal welfare advocacy. One of them is seminars. We carried out seminars where we promote animal welfare advocacy.
I'm going to apply the knowledge I've learned to teach farmers how they're supposed to handle their animals. The outreach programs that we have been going for, and where we have been interacting with different farmers and teaching them how animal welfare is helpful and the rights that animals carry.
The change in attitudes among students that I observe, that is really something that I hold so much as a major transformation that we have had in this project.